Solid start, stuck at Walmart. Tried spray, tried jump starter several times, I don't know, last 20 minutes or so. Won't do much of anything, but can't afford to do anything till at least Tuesday, so of course now the car won't do anything at all. Noteworthy things for today: did food stamps, called on loan consolidation, and found some interesting links to Gray, and so that's noteworthy. KM, KAM, JAM 2 plus. 35, it's great. Good evening. 873-2412, parked running exhaust towards a car, Walmart. Danza 90, DANZA 90, gold Toyota Solara, Walmart. Parked running exhaust towards me. I am towards the auto door because the car won't go anywhere. 796-4776. That would be the same old Alero plus. 796-4776. That would be the same old Alero plus. 40512 green SUV Chevy, driving to position exhaust towards me, pain and back. $37,678D, white Honda CRV, parked running, exhaust towards me, Walmart Auto, employee left at approach, or left at passing. 6, Dirk R, D-I-R-K-R, blue Ford truck. Went to vehicle as soon as I left my vehicle. Walmart North. X55 GLO parked running upwind. I think it's a Florida plate, not sure. Maybe Georgia, unclear. Drove to position upwind, parked auto area for Walmart, despite the fact that that area is closed. Plus 209. $57,754H, target. $57,754H, target. C660453. Drive to position upwind. Blue Cross Blue Shield. C660453. Drive to position upwind. Blue Cross Blue Shield. $25.82 theater, parked running upwind, firefighter plates. Individuals got in car, started car at my passing. It's Saturday night, 20 after 1, no sleep. Walmart, car won't move. Quarter after 3. It's Sunday morning. And don't think I've gotten any sleep. Four o'clock, no sleep. Sunday, no sleep. Might have been the ketchup at Huck's. G265027, gray Kia Sedona. Parked running upwind, Walmart Auto. Headache. Walmart Auto doesn't open until 8. It's about 20 after. Actually, it's about quarter after. GREG96, gold Saturn, parked running upwind, behind the wall at Walmart. Drove away as I took the route behind the Walmart. X660622, Meyer, parked running upwind, left at approach. KIRBYS4, dark green Jeep, Cherokee, parked running upwind. Myers left in passing, drove to position upwind.